Whatever your business, it's important to talk to your audience on social media. By following our 6 top tips, we'll get you on your way to building your own great social channels. Tip 1. Tailor your posts. The trick is working out which platform is best for your business and audience. Different channels need different content. Facebook likes videos and links, Instagram is all about the image, and Twitter is for short, sharp messaging. Make sure the language and length is suitable for the channel you're using. Tip 2. Use a mix of messages. You can use educational and sales messages directly about your business, but what really does well on social is fun, inspirational, clever content, perhaps more generally about your product, sector, location, or Scotland. Ideally, all posts will have engaging copy and the right mix for that channel of images, video, website links, and hashtags. Tip 3. Be nice. Your social channels are all about conversation, making them the perfect place to build a relationship with your audience. If someone leaves a comment or asks questions, respond to them. And if you can't answer them, point them in the right direction. They'll appreciate your help. Tip 4. Join the conversation. Using hashtags can help you join a much wider conversation and broaden your audience. Take advantage of popular positive trending topics, relevant news or national holidays. You can also share other people's images and posts as a way to get involved in the action. Tip 5. Learn from others. Take inspiration from other brands and study what works well for them to learn how to grow your own channels. VisitScotland found that sharing dramatic photography and informative video content engages their audience. Why not try that too? Tip 6. Review. Figure out what worked and what didn't in terms of type of post, time of day, message and imagery. Learn and go again. Remember, it's not just about quantity. Quality matters a lot too.